Hi, this is Vicious Animal Thing with another car care tip today. Recently I began to hear a clunking noise and I was able to tell it was coming from my front passenger side. For this demonstration, I'm just going to point out to you the issue that was on the passenger side and go from there on another video. A common perception today is that today's cars are too difficult to work on and too complicated and too technical. In some cases this is true, but when you're talking about noises, sometimes it's just things that are in plain sight or things that are obvious that you can see that might be wrong. In the case that you hear a clunking noise, there could be any number of issues. You may have a flat tire, you may have a part going bad, such as a caliper that's sticking, or a warped rotor, or a broken bolt, or a tie rod that's loose and needs replaced. So if you're unsure where your noise is coming from, definitely take it to a qualified mechanic and have it repaired. So as I mentioned earlier, the last couple of days I had heard a clunking noise coming from the front passenger side of the vehicle. And because I do most of the maintenance on my vehicle, I'm aware of a few potential issues. I stopped at a store and I just turned the wheel out like this and took a quick glance just to see if I could see anything obvious, and sure enough, I did. This is called the anti-sway bar, and it helps keep your vehicle from rolling excessively in corners. As your suspension moves up and down on one side or the other, the anti-sway bar helps keep both wheels kind of moving up and down tied together so that it prevents the vehicle from tipping from one side to the other. In this case, what I noticed immediately was this top half here had broken off, and the clunking was coming from when I would turn at a certain angle. It must have been pushing against the part that it broke away from, and this was the cause of the issue. So the point of this video is that sometimes, even though cars are complicated, it is just obvious things. And I will cover the repair and the parts needed and processes in another video. So look for that, and this is Vicious Animal Thing saying thanks for watching.